Good morning student, welcome to e-classes of Sufa English High School. This is continuing the geography chapter number 1. So let's start. Now let's get with the further to understand the changes in the location of sunrise and sunset on the horizon. Let us carry out the activity given on the next page. Now this is they have given the experiment of the shadow. Here is it. Given the activity experiment of the shadow, this is the table. Okay, they have kept this one is the table. Paste a large white paper on one side of the table. Now over you have, okay, this is the white paper. Okay, now over you have cannot paste that paper. You can just make a big hole over the and then put the paper on that, so that is get extract properly. Here is it the paper. Okay, extract properly. Now place a torch in front of the table. Place a torch in front of the table. This is if you can see, this is the torch. Here it is torch. Okay, in front of the table. Now one more you have to take a table, then you have to place the torch. Here is one more table and the torch is kept on it in such a way that it wouldn't move. When you will keep this torch, it should not move, it should steady. Okay, it should steady. Okay, stand a rod or a candle. Stand a rod or a candle. This is the rod. You can see, stand a rod or a candle between the white paper. यहाँ between the white paper or a torch. Now you have to keep a rod over here. You have to keep a rod. See, this is rod. See the distance of a paper and the rod. Okay, see, here is some distance given in the paper and between the rod. So the torch should be on. The torch should be on. Have to keep this rod over here or a candle between the white paper and the torch. Now the direct light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod and candle falls on the paper. Now you can see the torch light directly fall on the white paper. Okay, now you have keep directly in front of the light beam. You have keep directly in front of the light beam. This is, see, you can see light beam. This you have to keep directly in front of the light beam where the shadow of the rod fall on the paper. So here is it given, the shadow of the light fall on the white paper. Now you can see this shadow. Okay, now you can see this shadow. Now you have to mark the position. Here is mark the position. You have marked the position here. Mark the position of the shadow on the paper. Just mark the position of the shadow on the paper. See, it is marked. If you can see the point, here is the mark. Position of the shadow on the paper. You can mark it over here. Okay. You can mark it here only. Okay. Move the table along with the rod. Move this table along with the rod. Now once you try to move this table, the earlier you have done the cross mark over here. Okay, the cross mark over here. Okay, where the table was steady. Once you started moving this cross mark, it is here only. Okay, this one is not moving when the table is moving. The shadow also moving. Now move the table along with the rod candle from one side to the other slowly. Okay, observe and mark the position of the shadow that fall on the paper. Now once you move the table over here, mark it. Then you see the difference, the first one and the second one. You can see the difference only from this. Will come to know when this will move, that time only the shadow also move. Note the changes in the location of the shadow. Okay, note the changes in the location of the shadow. Now whenever you will move the table, the location also move and you can see the difference. Now what I said, just you have to note the changes of the location. The first earlier one, it was here. Okay, it was here. When you started moving this table, it came over here. Okay, it came over here and here, the reflection here and here. Okay children, it is enough for today. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.